it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video, Dia&Co. I always say this, but I don't know what number box this is. I will put it in the title of this video, obviously, but I have a new stylist this month. So I had Alexandra last month. This month is Janelle. So my box took a little bit longer to get here, and I realized it had been a while, so I checked the website, and the date that it was supposed to arrive had already passed. So I had to send a note, and the, I guess, like communication team or marketing team, whatever you call them, replied to me and said, hey, your stylist is working a little bit harder to find something sequins for you. So, as you know, I've been looking for sequins things for New Year's Eve. I would have appreciated my stylist reaching out, or someone reaching out ahead of time and saying, hey, it's, you know, I'm still searching for some really great things for you. Give me another week. But instead, I had to reach out to them. That's here nor there, but so this box, I did sneak a peek. I've already tried everything on. There is no sequins, but there is a long note saying, hey, I'm still looking for sequins pieces. Try these out while we wait. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you everything in the box, as always, and then we'll talk about it. So the first thing that I want to talk about is a dress. It's the only dress in the box, and it is this like beautiful black print. Hold on, let me get it together for you. Okay, there we go. It is this beautiful black with this like floral print on it. It cinches in at the waist. It's got a belt. It's from City Chic. It's in a size medium. It's $89 and it's tight. When I say it's tight, I'm telling you, I thought that like a boob was gonna pop out. It was so tight. It's a great length though, and it's really, really flattering. I think I would just need a size larger if this was something that I did choose to keep. It's not really a New Year's Eve option for me. Y'all know that I'm looking for something, like I said, a little more like frilly, a little more sequins, a little more like party vibes. But I do think it's a really pretty dress. If it fit properly, it would be really pretty for church, or if you had like a spring wedding or something to go to. I don't think, I'm looking at it in the viewfinder here, in the monitor, it doesn't scream party to me. It screams more like a formal event, like an engagement party or a baby shower or something like that. So, next thing I want to talk about are jeans. Y'all know I'm a sucker for a good pair of distressed, like rolled ankle jeans. These are the Jessica Simpson brand, a size 20. They're called the Forever Rolled Ankle. Yeah, size 20. These fit like a dream. These fit so well. I love the lighter color too. For some reason, it's just, I've been gravitating toward dark jeans a lot lately. So to get something that is this lighter color, I really like. However, the only thing about it is that maybe my backside is just large. I've been doing a lot of squats lately. So it's like the back is a little low for me. Like it sits right where my underwear sit, which is not far up from my butt crack. And that makes me nervous. Like I'm not trying to sit down somewhere and have my shirt right up and everybody sees my business. You know, like plumber's crack. We're not trying to do that. So that's my dilemma. These are, how much are they? $69.50. I really like them, but that's the only thing about them. But I also feel like I shouldn't pass them up, right? So let me know what y'all think about these. Other than that, I think they fit perfect. And I did find, like, because I tried these on last night, and Brian was watching TV in the other room, so like every time I would try something on, I would go in there and like get his opinion on it. And he really liked them, but by the time I'd gotten from the living room back to this room to like change clothes, like they'd kind of fallen, not fallen because they fit in the waist, but they'd kind of slid down quite a bit. So yeah. Anyway, okay. Let me know what y'all think about those. And I paired those jeans with this East Adeline like plum color. Look at that color. First off, like, can we just take a moment for this like beautiful color? It's coming off more purple, like Mardi Gras-ish in the camera, but hopefully you can tell it's more of like a plum. This style with this like cow neck is not really me. I'm very large in the chest, and I feel like this kind of thing just kind of protrudes them out. Like it just makes them look even larger. Not that I'm trying to make them look smaller. I don't know, it just was a weird thing. It's also a little snug in the back. It's like that slinky material. The top, at least there's this like sheer layer over it, so if it's a little snug, it kind of hides your stomach or whatever, but in the back, there's no hiding it. What you see is what you get. This is in a size 2X. I love the color, but other than that, however, this could be a good work top. I didn't think about that. But if you tucked it into, can you tuck this kind of top in? Or if you just wore it with some dress pants and some little flats, that might be okay in the summertime, you know? All right, so this is called the Haley Cow Neck Blouse. They call it purple in a size 2X, and it's $49. Now let's move on to this black lace top. I know the idea of this is like a sexy, wear it for New Year's Eve kind of thing. I don't know. It's from the brand Love and Legend. It's in a size 2X. I absolutely love the strappiness, like around the back and the chest and the shoulders. You can probably see it better with me wearing it. I absolutely love that. I think it's so flattering. I also love how it kind of cinches in at the waist and then flares out. It does have a lace layer over the top, and then underneath is just this like slinky stretchy material. This fit really well. It did feel a little bit snug in the chest, but is that really a bad thing? Like, you kind of want to show a little bit of cleavage in something like this. So is that really a terrible thing for it to like be a little tight and like push them together a little bit? This was okay. I don't know if I liked this because I didn't have another option in the box that I liked as much, or if standalone, if I would have liked it. Do you know what I'm saying? Let's see how much it is. This is called the Alley Sleeveless Lace Top, and it's $49. Now to the very last thing in the box. I got real excited when I saw this. This is a Kenzie Jeans Leopard Moto Jacket. It's in a size 2X, but it's not like jacket material. It's more like a heavy pullover material, like, I don't know how to describe it. Let me see if it even says what kind of material it is in here. Maybe that will give, okay, it's 52% cotton, 48% rayon. So if that kind of gives you an idea, it's not going to keep you warm by any means at all. But it's a leopard print jacket. How cute. Except for it doesn't zip at the bottom like around my hips. I would have to jack it up like around my waist where my body is smaller to zip it, but then I can't pull it down because it doesn't fit over my hips. So are you meant to zip it or not? Because it's really cute unzipped with just your hands in the pocket. But I don't know. I mean, is it too much leopard? I like the idea, but I don't know. Like, it's not going to keep me warm, but it would be cute with like a black top and black jeans and some just like black boots. So this leopard print, it's called the Leota Moto Jacket, size 2X, and it is $69. So let's recap everything that came in the box. Everything totals $325.50. You get your styling fee credited toward whatever you choose to keep. You can keep one thing, you can keep everything, you get $20 deducted. You also get 25% off if you keep everything in the box. So with all of those discounts, the total is $224.12. Well, $224 is not a bad price, honestly. The dress is too tight. That purple top I don't care for. The Moto jacket is too small. And that lace top is okay. So the only thing that I'm really considering keeping are the jeans. I mean, I have an entire lower rack in a closet of jeans. So do I need more jeans or no? Let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. I always value your opinion because it's an outside look and I appreciate it. So that's a wrap on this video. I will leave a direct link to sign up for Dia&Co in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.